Okay, part 2 of the gate. I didn't have these with me, so I had to run back to the shed and grab them. I didn't figure you guys needed to watch that. So I just loosened it up, got it on here, and now we'll tighten it back up because as you can see, it can move on this one. The bottom is stationary, but this top one can move. So that way you do have a little room if you need to move them, depending on how your holes went into the post. Let's tighten this back up. If you don't tighten it up, you know, it could move on you, and then this will fall off the post. All sorts of fun stuff. Usually at the worst moment. That should be pretty tight. Give it a little more. You don't want to go too much either, otherwise you'll just bend this. So that takes care of the gate. And then we just need to put this cattle panel back on. And I'll grab trusty fencing pliers here. And I'll just use some of this wire that we're not going to be using anymore. Grab some of the barbed wire that was on the fence before I put these panels up. And I can secure this up here. Use my pliers to tighten it down real good. Here we go, the top one's on. I'll probably put a middle and a bottom. But there we go. So screw type gate is, screw type anchor gate is in. I've got another gate that I gotta put in, so I'll probably do another video on that too. But again, thanks for watching and have a good day.